Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders crash report handler error. The application has encountered an unexpected error. So if you are getting this error in the game Arc Raiders, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to close the game completely. So first stop the game from the Steam or Epic Games, then open the task manager, then open the task manager. Now in the task manager search for Arc Raiders, and if you find any process running with the game Arc Raiders, then right click on it and then click on End Task. If you find more than one process related to the Arc Raiders game, then simply right click on it and then click on End Task. For example, if you see Pioneer game running in the task manager, then close it. Also close Easy Anti-Cheat from the task manager if it is running. And then you can go ahead and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to restart your PC and verify the integrity of game files. So simply restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, launch Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders game and then select properties, go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to restart your PC and move or reinstall the Arc Raiders game to the different drive. So just restart your PC once again and then move or reinstall the Arc Raiders game to different drives. For example, if you have installed the game earlier in C drive, then try installing the game to another drive such as F drive, H drive, E drive, or you can also install the game on external SSD drive and then you can launch the game and check. This will also fix the issue. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you should check for your BIOS update. You can update the BIOS through your PC or laptop manufacturer official website. Once you update the BIOS, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. This has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. And the last solution is to delete easy anti-cheat _eos.sys file. So to do this, open File Explorer, go to C drive, open Program Files x86 folder. Now open easy anti-cheat _eos folder and then delete this easy anti-cheat _eos.sys file extension. So right click on it and then click on delete to delete it. Now right click on this arrow icon, right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam and then relaunch the Steam, and then you can go ahead and launch the Arc Raiders game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix crash report handler. The application has encountered an unexpected error in Arc Raiders game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.